Sometimes when you're germinating seedlings, they need a little bit more help to be in a propagator. And you don't have to buy an expensive propagator if you just want 2 or 3 seedlings to get them off to a good start, maybe cucumbers or some very tender annuals. And you can easily make a propagator. I've got tender annuals in this Morning Glory and cup and saucer plant. So all you need to do, and I'll just show you, is sow your seeds in the usual way and then cover using a polythene bag. And the purpose of the elastic band is to get a seal. That seal allows water to condense inside the polythene bag, and that helps to keep a good environment. As soon as the seedlings appear and get established, take the bag off, because if they're in a warm environment for too long, you have a much greater tendency for damping off or for the seedlings to become leggy. So this is a cheap homemade propagator. You can reuse plastic bags and it will work very well if you've just got a few seedlings that you want to grow.